Have you ever wondered if you could survive a brutal snowstorm with nothing but the wilderness around you? Picture this: in the dead of winter, Tom Rohrer found himself stranded in the Rocky Mountains, miles away from civilization. With temperatures plummeting and snow falling relentlessly, he had to act fast. Tom used his survival skills to craft a snug hut from large leaves and tree branches, creating insulation against the biting cold. As night approached, he laid traps for small game and gathered wood for a fire. The makeshift hut, surprisingly effective, shielded him from the storm's fury. Tom boiled snow for drinking water and cooked his catch on a handmade stove, proving that, even in nature's harshest conditions, survival is possible with resourcefulness and grit. His experience stands as a testament to human ingenuity and the raw beauty of nature's challenges.